Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be taking a look at the 2024 Alfa Romeo 33 Stradale. This is a limited edition supercar that's sure to turn heads. So let's get right into it. Exterior: the 2024 Alfa Romeo 33 Stradale is a stunning car, from any angle. It has a long, sleek body with sharp lines and curves. The front end is dominated by a massive grille and aggressive headlights. The sides of the car are adorned with large air intakes and vents, and the rear end features a full-width taillight and a large diffuser bumper. The front and rear bumpers of the 2024 Alfa Romeo 33 Stradale are made of lightweight carbon fiber. They're designed to be both aerodynamic and functional. The front bumper features large air intakes to help cool the engine and brakes, and the rear bumper features a large diffuser to help improve downforce. Interior: the interior of the 2024 Alfa Romeo 33 Stradale is just as impressive as the exterior. It's a driver-focused cockpit with high-quality materials and finishes throughout. The steering wheel is covered in Alcantara and leather, and the dashboard is made of carbon fiber. The seats are also made of Alcantara and leather, and they're bolstered to keep you in place during spirited driving. Dashboard: the dashboard of the 2024 Alfa Romeo 33 Stradale is simple and elegant. It features a digital instrument cluster and a touchscreen infotainment system. The digital instrument cluster displays all the vital information you need, such as speed, RPM, and fuel level. And the touchscreen infotainment system allows you to control the climate control, audio, and navigation systems. The 2024 Alfa Romeo 33 Stradale is a stunning car inside and out. It's a limited edition supercar that's sure to turn heads wherever it goes. If you're looking for a car that's both stylish and performance-oriented, the 2024 Alfa Romeo 33 Stradale is the perfect choice for you. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more automotive content.